Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys what I purchased from the Happy Planner winter release since my box came a few days ago. And so these were not part of my squad box, but these were just a few more items that I did have my eyes on and I want to go ahead and get them. And so I want to show you that. I did also purchase another item that was not part of the winter release, but it was on sale. So I went ahead and picked that up too. So I'm gonna show you that too. So let's go ahead and start off with this. So I picked up this nice little planner pouch. Oh, okay, it comes out like that. So this, okay, well actually this is a pen pouch, but it is designed to go around your planner and you can place your pens here and then maybe some contact cards or something like that in here and have everything right on your planner. So I did pick this up to go along with the plan that I'm going to be using for 2022. And yeah, so I'm excited because I can put extra stickers in here, extra little planner accessories in here, so that when I'm on the go, I can kind of put this around my planner and I'm good to go. So I picked that up. And, all right, so the next item that I picked up was this 2022 wall calendar to put into my little craft space. It comes with 46 of these stickers. Great to use in the calendar. And so it says New Year, Fresh Start, or Fresh Start, New Year. And I just want to show you what each of the months look like in the inside. I think this would be so cute. This one says, don't put off your happy life. This is January. And I like how it has like a nice little shiplap background. Kind of also matches like my desktop. So I think that's really, really cute. And then here is February. It says, in every season, be grateful. And this is March. There is no time to be bored in a world as beautiful as this. April says, create a home inspired by your life, and then your home will inspire you. It says, oh, how she loved to be at home, because this is the Homebody collection. And then June says, send more love letters. July says, stop rushing through life. August says, make everything around me beautiful. September says, do good and good will come to you. And that's September in like a gold foil font. October says, do what brings you joy. I love the florals in that. And so November says, there may be no greater thing than a life well loved. And December says, let's stay home. And then that's the end of the wall calendar. So I want to go ahead and just add that to my collection so I can put that into my craft space. But again, it comes with 12 of these monthly like little dashboards for the month, and then you get 46 stickers. And I just love it. So, all right, so next up, I did get one sticker book, and I picked up the Let Your Heart Wonder sticker book. It has 580 pieces in there, and this is a 30-page value pack sticker book. And I was very, very interested in this because I love like little positive quotes and stuff. And so I wanted to really check this out. I didn't see a flip through of it, so I was like, I gotta get this to see it for myself and have it in hand. So this first page is paperback stickers. You get some quotes in here. Your energy is sacred. Love yourself more. I just love these. And I like the fact that these stickers are writable stickers where you can kind of write on them, write down your reflections, things that you're proud of yourself for, ways of how you're being strong. I just love those type of stickers. And so you get more of these here. Now, these are goal stickers, and I don't know if you can see that, so I'll read it out. But it's goals at the top, and you can write out your goals here, and then it says, I did it, progress made, or needs work. So you can kind of check those off. So I'll just give you like a closer view of what it looks like. And so you get those in different colorful boxes, which I do like. Love a good colorful box. And then here you have I am feeling sections. You can kind of write in there. That's what I was talking about with those little writable stickers where you can kind of write in them. Love those. And then you get some breathe, recharge, meditate stickers here to also kind of coordinate and match with your colorful boxes here. Then you get some more of those I'm feeling, but I like how you get these little silhouettes in the stickers here. And now you get some reflection stickers, and the reflection stickers, you're going to focus your thoughts on one thing or event, and you get to write it down on the stickers. And I just like that. You can kind of turn any planner into your own little personal planner. Either if you're using a dashboard layout, a vertical layout, you can actually take these stickers and have a section just for your weekly reflections, your daily reflections, whatever you want. I just like that because you're able to use these stickers throughout your planners. Then you get feeling grateful for sections here. And then you can actually take these words, growth, grateful, and balance. And these can be your words for the month or your words for the week or a word for the day. And so you get some more, and then you have unplug, strength, and breathe. Oh, and these, I love these. So these are called Power Word. It says choose one word to help motivate you. And it has like white, not white, silver foil font in those power words. I'm gonna see if the light can hit it just right. But as you can see in the brush strokes in the background of that, you get different colors. Also, this kind of goes in and matches very well with the colorful box stickers as well. And then you have some more of the circle stickers. So you have wonder, unplug, explore, connect, relax, wonder, and then relax, connect, create, rest, breathe, explore, unplug, wonder, and breathe, create, and connect. And then you have habit trackers. These are really, really great. So you have habit trackers here, and then you have feeling great. Let me put it up closer. Feeling great, feeling happy, flag stickers here. That's just a close-up of what it looks like. Some more habit trackers. And then you get some more like washi strip quotes. I definitely love these because you can put these anywhere in your planners, regardless of what layout that you have. And then you'll be able to track your mood. So you get today's mood. You can put a smiley face. You can even actually draw in the face. If it's a smiley face, sad face, you can just kind of draw it in. And then maybe here at the bottom, you can write how you were feeling. So that's a good way to use these stickers. And then we have some washi strips. I like these little nature washi strips. You have like the mountains, the forest, the clouds, and then little floral, like flower meadows. You can get some more washi strips. And then here are transparent or clear stickers. I like these again because of the silhouettes, and then you have like the natures in the background. And then you have your nice peaceful quotes that says, quiet, the mind and the soul will speak. Growth is uncomfortable because you've never been here before, and never trust your fears. They do not know your strength. I just love these. I love it. It's a little different for me, but I'm going to find a way to kind of use this and incorporate this in my planner spreads, and maybe create a little section for like my wellness journal for each day. Now we get some more quotes. These are transparent clear stickers. And then we get some more clear stickers, but these are more of like a color font instead of the foil. And then we have some okay, you're okay. And then this one is remember to breathe. And these are in like silver foil. Kind of hard to see when the light doesn't hit it right, but that's what it looks like. It says slow down, you are okay. Remember to breathe, rest and relax. And then you get those same stickers, but then you get it in these different colors, so it's better to see with these. So I like that. All right. Oh, I love these little portrait, like picture portrait stickers of nature. Great to kind of add maybe in your monthly or your weekly spreads, however you want to use it. And then you get some more quotes here. You get some check-in stickers, your feeling stickers, and then you get some deco stickers. And these are like little splashes. So it's nothing wrong with the page. It just has these little color splotches on there. So you get like a teal, a dark blue, navy, gray, nude, or like a brown tone to it. So it's clear, transparent stickers, but once you lay it on your paper, along with the stickers, you should be able to kind of see it a little better just to add some little deco to it. And then you get some silver foil deco stickers as well. All right, so that was a flip through the Let Your Heart Wonder sticker book. So again, if this was a sticker book that you haven't seen, hopefully you were able to get a close-up view of some of the pages that I flipped through, and maybe add this to your collection and add a little wellness or a little journaling section to your planners. That will be great. All right, so next up, I did pick up a budget edition planner. And I just love the Happy Planner new format of the budget planners. And so I'm just in love with this. I'm in love with this one a little bit more because this is more of a neutral planner. And it is an undated planner, so I can start whenever I want. I can start now in December, or I can start in January, February, whatever I want. But I am going to wait, and I'm going to start this in January to kind of go ahead and just kind of jumpstart my budget and pick up from there and continue to add to that. So here is the budget layout, and then because it is undated, Happy Planner has included these monthly stickers in here for us to go ahead and date our little tabs, and we can just go ahead and start whenever we like. So I do like that they do give us a little bit of that. And so I'll flip through this really quick. And so you have your little currently section here. You can write your financial goals here, your important dates, maybe bill due here, and then maybe a nice little quote for the month that you want to kind of motivate you financially to go ahead and start, you know, saving for something that you're saving for. And then here you have unexpected spends. And I like this because it's a tracker that's already made out and in place. And this unexpected spends is to keep track of events and unexpected expenses that pop up during the month. So I do like that. And then here is your monthly. Again, like I said, it's very neutral. The budget plan that I had last year was very colorful, which I didn't mind, but I do like this one that looks a little bit more clean to me. I just like just having it all neutral. And then here you have your housing, your utilities, food, spendings here to keep up with all of your bills. And then you have your savings tracker and then all of your accounts and debts. And then you always will get a challenge for the week or a monthly budget challenge. So this is a monthly budget challenge that you can do for yourself. And then each week you have your weekly expenses to write down. So I do like that. And then at the end of the week or the end of the month, you get to check off some things that you may be saving for, things that you paid off. You can definitely write those down and then write down any other things that are important to you that you want to keep a track of. And then if you want to do additional tracking or budget planning, you can actually do this on this dot grid paper here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's dot grid, I promise you. And so I like this because you can do whatever you want, because you already have like a little title you can put here and then just start planning and tracking things. And so this is what the divider looks like. I already kind of flipped through the monthly. I already went through all of writing down your expenses here, and then your savings tracker debts, and then your weekly expenses throughout the week. And so this is what the dividers look like in this budget edition. Very clean, black, white, and gold. I love it. This one says save today, spend tomorrow. I did get a budget extension pack or companion pack in my squad box. So if you didn't get a chance to see that, check that out to see what you can add to this to complement this budget edition planner. But I definitely want to add this to it as well. So that was the budget edition planner that I got. Again, this is a 12-month undated planner. You probably will be seeing this again because I will be adding this to my planner lineup. All right, so last but not least, I did pick up 2 items. They were on sale, but they were not part of the winter release, and these were part of, I believe it was like the wedding collection, I think, something like that. But these are embellished cards, and these are like thank you cards from the bride and groom. But I have an anniversary coming up, and I like to send out nice thank you cards for family and friends who give us cards and just to wish us a happy anniversary. And so I want to just kind of go ahead and flip through these really quick. They're blank on the inside. Of course, you can put your own little message, but I want to show you the different type of cards that come in these, just in case you see these again, and if they're still on the website and they're still on sale, you might want to pick them up because you can use it for any occasion. But I'm going to use this for like my anniversary cards and like thank you cards for friends who have done like nice deeds for us. But this one, I like it because it has like the beautiful flowers in the background. And then you have it on the back as well. And it says the Happy Planner. So you get 2 of these cards. And then you get this one that says thank you so much. Again, it's blank on the inside. And then you have this on the back. So you get 2 of those. And then this one says forever grateful. And I like because it has like the cute little rings on the back. And then you get 2 of those. And then you get this one that says you are the best. Cute and pink. And then it has like the little rings and flowers in there, and it's blank in the inside. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8. So you get 8 cards, and then you get 8 envelopes as well. So a total of 16 pieces come in there. And so like I said, I got 2 of these, so I won't have to open this one, but I got 2 of these because I have an anniversary coming up. All right, so that's all that I picked up from the winter release. I got the budget edition planner. I picked up 1 sticker book, the Let Your Heart Wander sticker book, and I also got a pen pouch as well as a wall calendar to add to my craft room, craft space, so that I can kind of plan throughout while I'm in my craft room and I don't have to keep running downstairs to get the family calendar. I have something up here that I can have in place and keep me organized. So I'm glad that you guys stick around to see what I picked up in this month's winter release from the Happy Planner. Again, these are items that I picked up for myself and purchased to add to my collection. They were not a part of my squad box, but I would love to hear from you and know what you picked up from the winter release, or comment down below and let me know because I love to engage with you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.